Hey there, short video. So I live in the upper desert of Arizona and we don't have much water here, and if we have more water here, it pretty much goes very fast on these hills and collects into the larger streams, washes, and then it flows downwards. It basically doesn't stay, the water doesn't stick around. However, if you have a hole in the ground, the water can collect, and we can actually see here, this is not designed, this is something by accident. You can actually see some mud, remnants of the mud, and we can see that there's much more plants here than usually. A direct effect of that water that collected here. Now, this was not particularly designed for that, as you can probably see that there's a mound here for whatever reason. Somebody dug it in the past, and so there's a limited amount of water that can flow here. So probably there was like small puddle here. There was not really full of water. I guess what it would look if I made similar things specifically designed to collect as much water as it goes, as it runs this landscape. So my plan for maybe this spring, I'll just take my excavator out, and in places where the water basically runs, there's a sheet flow of water going through that landscape, I'll just make demi-lunes or half crescent moons, how they call it. They make them frequently in sub-Saharan Africa to catch any water that runs out the landscape, and create holes in that shape, so the water can collect there and soak in peace. That's the plan, and this will be interesting experiment, and doing it with the digger, it will be much easier. All right, so that was it.